14th question. So coming to this 14th question, it was very clear that Brewster's angle it was mentioned. So this data where we can observe is there nothing but wave optics. So this is from wave optics chapter. Okay. So this Brewster's angle for the light propagating from glass to air is theta b. Okay. This is one data given here. And for light propagating from glass to air is this one. Right. We have to prove that. So we have to check it whether it is right or wrong. Okay. Like this. So now this is our incident ray. This is our incident ray making an angle I. Okay. Making an angle I. This is our incident ray. So this is our refracted ray. Refracted ray. Okay. So this is the angle of refraction. Now, for the light propagating from air to glass. So let me say this is air and let me say this is glass medium. Is theta b. So let us check it. So as per Snell's law, mu1 sine. So here air refractive index is mu1. Okay. Let me say this is 1. Mu1 sine I1 or simply I. So I1 here is equal to mu. This is 2. Nothing but glass. Okay. So mu 2 is nothing but glass. Into sine of what is this angle? So if this is I1, what will be the resultant one? So this angle is 90 minus I1. Okay, so sine of 90 minus I1, like this I'll get here. Now let us substitute here. Mu1 is nothing but air, which is 1 into sine I1 is equal to, mu is nothing but glass, mu g. As I mentioned earlier, sine 90 is cos I1. So sine I1 by cos I1 is equal to mu g. Mu g. So that is tan I1 is equal to mu g. Tan I1 is equal to mu g. Okay. So this is when we are moving from air to glass medium. So this is when air to glass. Now let us take from glass to air. Glass to air. Okay. Like this. So what happens here is that in this case you got tan I1 is equal to mu g. In the next case what we get here is that tan I2 is equal to, okay, previously we got glass by air. If I write this as, air here, so what you could say is glass by air, which is equal to glass by air is 1, so answer is glass. So now air reverse. Previously from air to glass, now it is from glass to air. So what I could say is that previously tan is glass by air you got, okay, which is equal to glass. Now reverse, that is air to glass. So tan IT is equal to air by glass. So what is this angle? So this is nothing but air to glass is nothing but 1 by tan I1, which is equal to cot I1, which is equal to tan of 90 minus I1. Like this I could write. So tan I2 is equal to tan 90 minus I1. So therefore I2 is equal to 90 minus I1. 90 minus I1. So that is what here it was written. In second place it is 90 minus I1. So, okay, my dear children, so from this, what we can say is that in statement 1, Brewster's angle is from A to glass, that is theta B, okay, where the Brewster's angle for light propagated from glass to air is 90 minus theta B. So, like this we are having. So, from this data, what we could say is that statement 1 is true, okay, statement 1 is true, no doubt in that, from this proof. So, next one, let us read it. The Brewster's angles for the light propagated from glass to air is tan inverse of mu c. Glass to air. So, here glass to air. So, there is nothing such like that. It is not tan inverse of mu c. It is tan inverse of mu a by mu c, where mu c is the refractive index. Okay. So, here second statement is wrong and first statement is correct. So, second option. You can go with the second option. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next one.